Password reset not sending email on RateSetter Fix. You click Forgot Password on RateSetter, but the reset email never shows up. Frustrating, right? The good news is, this problem is common and easily fixed with a few simple checks. First, open your email app and check your spam or junk folder. RateSetter's reset emails usually come from no-reply@ratesetter.com, and since they contain secure links, many mail providers automatically filter them. Use your inbox search bar to look for RateSetter or password reset. If it's not there, double-check that you're using the same email you used to register your RateSetter account. Most people get this part wrong, especially if they've used a work address or a different account years ago. Even a small typo in your email entry can block the link from arriving. Next, add a RateSetter, come to your Save Sender list and request the email again. Wait about 5 minutes between attempts. Sending multiple reset requests too quickly can delay delivery. If you're checking from your phone, try logging in from a computer or using a different browser. Sometimes app or browser cache issues stop reset requests from being processed correctly. Also, make sure your inbox isn't full and that your email provider isn't blocking emails with embedded links. Business or educational email systems are especially strict about this. If nothing works, contact RateSetter support through their official website. I'll verify your identity and help you reset your password manually. Most people think the problem is on RateSetter's side, but the surprising truth is it's almost always an email filter or input issue. Follow these steps, and you'll receive your RateSetter password reset email in just a few minutes, getting you back into your account securely and stress-free.